Today, we're living in a multi-chain world, and today you'll need to have the ability to transfer cryptocurrencies from one blockchain to the next. There are so many great projects that are being built on top of all of the top blockchains right now, and being able to move cryptocurrency assets from to blockchain really needs to be an easy process in order to continue to fuel growth in the cryptocurrency space. Now today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can bridge any token from any blockchain so that way you can easily integrate these skills and go ahead and start transferring your own cryptocurrencies from any blockchain that you want with fluidity. Now, before, it hasn't always been this easy. There are a lot of great protocols and projects out there right now that literally will allow you to transfer from Binance to Ethereum, from Ethereum to Fantom, from Fantom to Polygon, you name it, the list goes on and on. Where back in the day, it was not that easy. I mean, even last year, it wasn't even that easy. It was a little bit of a hurdle to get to this point to where now it's super easy to transfer cryptocurrencies in their native form to their appropriate blockchains. And if you love everything related to cryptocurrency like I do, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't be disappointed. I'll give you the best cryptocurrencies tips, strategies, and news delivered directly to your phone at all times. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it now. Alright, so today we're going to be using a tool called ANYSWAP. So ANYSWAP really makes it super easy for you to transfer cryptocurrencies to their native blockchains with ease. So let's just say, for example, that you want to transfer USDC from Binance to the Fantom network. Just make sure that you connect your wallet right here, and in this instance we're using the Binance Smart Chain. So you can click on this little icon at the top and you can just switch to any blockchain that you'd like to use and begin using it that way. They have Ethereum, they have Fantom, they have MATIC, Avalanche. I mean the list just goes on and on and on. So in this example, let's just say we want to transfer some USDC from Binance to Fantom. I need to have the Binance network first highlighted. So I have Binance, it's already connected to my MetaMask wallet, and now all I need to do is select where I want to send that USDC. You're gonna need to use some sort of a bridge to transfer your USDC from one blockchain to the next in its native cryptocurrency. So for example, let's just say you have your MetaMask wallet set up and you have the Binance blockchain already added on there, and you also have the Fantom network on your MetaMask. So that's gonna make it extremely easy to begin doing your bridges if you have all of those blockchains on the same cryptocurrency wallet. This is just an example. You can transfer any coin that you want to any blockchain. I'm just going to show you how to use the bridge features so that way you'll be able to now transfer any sort of token that you want to any other blockchain, and all you have to do is just select what blockchain and what coin you want to use. So in this example, since we're doing USDC, you would simply put USDC right here, however much you want to transfer. So it will give you some provisions right here. So in this instance, it's going to say there's a minimum of $12 that you'll need to do in order for the transaction to go through. So I already have the 12 USDC right there, and it's also going to tell you how much USDC you're going to get in your Fantom mainnet wallet. So it'll be 11.1 that I'm going to be receiving in Fantom, which is perfect. And now all you're going to need to do is first approve the USDC. So I'll just click on that, and it'll give you some provisions right here. So you need to approve the token to begin interacting with it. So since I'm using MetaMask, it's going to prompt me to approve this token. So once this loads up, I'm going to click on confirm in order to approve being able to use this token. Let it go through. The gas fee is paid in BNB because that's the initial blockchain that we're transferring from. And once that goes through, it's going to give you the option to now do the swap. So all I'm going to do here is click on swap. I'll click on confirm, and MetaMask is now going to tell me to confirm the transaction and pay for the gas to initiate the transaction. And you'll just see it'll give you some provisions right here. If you want to edit the gas to make it go faster, you can always edit this. That's a little advanced. So by default, I'll just use MetaMask's default settings for the gas fee, and then I'll just click on confirm right here. Now, since I don't want this transaction to go through, because this is just an example, I'm not going to click on confirm, but this is the instance where you click confirm to now push the transaction through to now receive USDC in your Fantom mainnet wallet. And if you're using MetaMask and you've already set up your Fantom mainnet on your MetaMask account, to access your USDC, it's really simple. All you need to do if you're using MetaMask is simply click on the drop down right there, click on the appropriate network, which is Fantom, and boom, you'll have your USDC show up right in your same wallet on MetaMask. So that's really how easy it is to transfer assets between one blockchain to the next. And you can basically do this for any cryptocurrency that you want that's supported on the ANYSWAP network. But they basically have all the main cryptocurrencies that you want to use. And if you ever want to swap from Fantom to Ethereum, you'll be able to do that. Again, you'll be able to do that. You can really transfer to any blockchain that you want to, which is really fascinating about this tool, ANYSWAP. It now makes it incredibly easy for anyone out there to be able to transfer tokens from any blockchain, just like with a blink of an eye. We just did it in several minutes, and boom, you should be able to do it right away. Now, if for any reason you do get confused on the actual bridge portion, so if at any point you do get confused on how to use ANYSWAP to transfer tokens from different blockchains, an FAQ on exactly how to use the protocol effectively, and just select any sort of question that you might have, and it'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up the process and how to bridge the assets. Again, it's really easy to do. You should have no issues doing this. Once you get your first few swaps in, it's going to be second nature, and it'll only take you a few seconds to do swaps from different blockchains, and transferring tokens is not going to be an issue anymore. You'll be able to do it, and now you can access your favorite tokens on any blockchain that you want without any limitations anymore. And like I mentioned in the beginning, the bridge function is, in my opinion, only going to continue to rise in functionality and in awareness. Once people start realizing that they can access their favorite mainnet easily, things are really going to start to become bigger in the cryptocurrency space. And services like ANYSWAP make it really easy for people to now swap their cryptocurrencies to basically any blockchain that they want. So now you should be able to transfer any tokens that you want. And now if you want to get tokens that are on Fantom, that are on Polygon, you can use a service like ANYSWAP, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then now you can transfer those tokens and purchase your favorite cryptocurrency and do whatever you want with it, basically. Even as recent as last year, things were not that easy to transfer from blockchain to blockchain. What you usually had to do was you had to sell your cryptocurrency like Binance, and then use a centralized exchange and sell it for USDT, and then buy another cryptocurrency and then send it to another blockchain. And it was kind of a mess to do, and you lost a lot of, and then you ended up paying a lot in fees and things like that. So it wasn't always easy. You had to do a lot of steps to get cryptocurrencies in their native blockchains. And now it's going to be super easy for you to do that. Well, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, if you want the latest crypto news, and don't forget to turn on your notification bells. That way, as I give more awesome tips like this, you'll get notified.